Over here we have the APC series, now in HPA, using a Mechlabs X-MOD engine. And then we have the AEG, so they use the same bodies, but you could choose HPA or AEG. And then we have also here the SPR300 Mini. So this is a limited edition. It's got, just like the real B&T, a 3D printed suppressor. And this one is actually using our CNC chassis. So it comes with a CNC chassis all built in, right? And it's limited to only 100 pieces. So this is new for this year. So over here, if I could reach under. So you've already seen our SPR300 before. We've actually got an HPA conversion kit coming as well. So for this year, you could actually buy an SPR300 with the HPA engine already built in. Or if you already have one, you could do an upgrade. So over here, we have our HPA ARs. So this is a DDM4 V7S. So this has got the CNC handguard, the whole barrel set. And again, with an X-MOD engine, licensed by EMG. And over here, we have an MK18 RIS3. And then last but not least, so this is our L11982. Obviously, this is a product we're pretty famous for. This is the latest release. It's got our own internals in it. It's got our Type A system with the all metal internals, all steel internals with the trigger, an NWS compatible bolt carrier and bolt set, and also our own magazine.